Hello everyone, please don't go. I really need you. I am very tired and sad about what is happening to us. We lost our home and our relatives. Please don't leave me sad alone. Please guys. I am very tired. There is no life here, no water, no food. Please share my story with everyone so that I can find someone to help me. You are my only hope of restoring life here. Please help me and donate via the link in my bio. Thank you so much. Goodbye.